Hello everyone, this is Guide to Everything, and in today's video, we are going to show you on how you can connect your stylus pen to your Huawei MatePad. Basically, the first thing that you want to do after getting your stylus pen is to charge the device. In most cases, this device comes in not activated or on the shipping mode. Basically, this is to save battery on the device itself. So you want to charge the device until it's fully charged. From there, just simply turn the device on using the buttons depending on your stylus pen. Of course, there's a lot of stylus pen models out there, so you want to turn it on by using the touchpad, the buttons or more. Your stylus pen will then light up, indicating you that it successfully turned on. Now, in most cases, this stylus pen does not require you to connect through Bluetooth, as I have right here. And from there, it's ready to use as of the get-go. So you can just turn on the pen and start using it right away. But before you do that, just make sure that the device is fully charged and you're ready to go. And so everyone, thanks for watching this video. If it has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.